In this video, we are going to talk about 7 free and simple SEO tools for bootstrapped business owners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Unfortunately, many of the greatest SEO tools on the market, such as SEMrush and Ahrefs, cost approximately $100 per month, which may not be suitable for a bootstrapped company or someone who is still learning SEO. As a result, we've compiled a list of important free SEO tools that you can use for everything from keyword research to backlink analysis. We move to the list of the 7 free and simple SEO tools for bootstrapped business owners. Let's start. Number 7. Blogging equals simply cool way to traffic. Remember that website optimization necessitates concentration and time commitment. Even if you invested a lot of time improving your site, the problem persists as millions of business owners battle for top search engine rankings. This makes it impossible for many business owners to continue operating online. Blogging is the ultimate tool for winning the internet race. Having a blog on your company's website helps you accomplish 2 crucial goals. Instantly send information to your readers. Simply write a blog article and send it to all of your subscribers by email and newsletter when you wish to give a Black Friday coupon. People in today's digital age get emails right away and open the website on their phones to get the offers. You might start blogging or sharing things connected to your items on your blog. This will begin to increase the number of visitors to your website. Number 6. Backlink tool. See what sites are linking to a page. A backlink, as the name implies, is the point at which a page from another site links back to yours. On the internet, they're frequently regarded as a symbol of importance, contingent upon the nature of the source. While Google's Matt Cutts has previously stated that backlinks would become less important in determining how you rank in the long run, many SEO experts believe they will have an impact in 2017. Regardless of whether they did or did not at this time, a good backlink checker can be useful for a variety of purposes, such as determining the kind of destinations that connect to your own or your competitors' sites in order to compile a list of online journals or authors. In this regard, the Backlink Checker by SEO Review Tools, which offers a few free SEO tools, is quite useful. This gadget, on the other hand, shows you the connecting site's space authority, how frequently they've connected to you, whether the connections are follow or no follow, and the anchor text they used in a single view. Another method is to use Moz's Open Site Explorer to look at a URL's backlink profile. Number 5. Answer the Public. Find out what the internet is asking. Answer the Public is a brilliant tool that makes use of Google's auto proposals to provide a visual representation of long-tail keywords that come from your main catchphrase. It's great for content marketing because it suggests and sorts out keyword ideas based on queries: who, what, when, where, why, correlations, against, and that's just the start. Making great content that ranks highly, all things considered, necessitates anticipating the queries that people will have beyond your main catchphrase express. Answer the general public is also a good way to gain a sense of how people feel about a topic. Number 4. Screaming Frog. Crawl your site for errors. Running a website, especially a blog, eventually results in a higher number of pages than you can physically monitor and keep track of. Sometimes links break or you copy sites by accident, which isn't ideal in Google's or your visitors' eyes. Fortunately, Screaming Frog allows you to conduct a free site review, up to 500 URLs on the free form. This will show you whether anything needs to be renewed or upgraded, as well as where the problems are. You'd then be able to enter this information into an accounting page and use it in a variety of ways. Number 3. Soovle. Keyword suggestions from other search engines. Soovle, like Uber Suggest, provides autocomplete propositions for expression contemplations. In any case, instead of making an extended show, it goes beyond Google and provides you with suggestions from Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, YouTube, and Answers.com, to name a few. Answer.com, for example, will show you common questions about your usual keyword, whilst YouTube's recommendations will tell you what people should watch about the subject, like unloading accounts or overviews. These arguments can frequently elicit less genuine, long-tail expression musings from which you can gain. Number 2. Mozbar. Link metrics in search results. As part of its Mozbar, Moz provides a variety of free SEO tools, a Chrome growth you can use in case you make a free Moz account. In any case, I'd like to emphasize the link metrics specifically in this summary. You can use this to determine how authentic a position in the web searcher results for a keyword is based on page authority, domain authority, and the number of backlinks the page has. This might assist you in making decisions about how difficult it will be to acquire a decent position and how many substantial value backlinks you will need to concentrate on. Mozbar also includes a number of tools for assisting with on-page SEO and determining the importance of a backlink from a certain page. Number 1. Ubersuggest. Generate long-tail keyword ideas. Google does an excellent job of offering suggestions to assist you in completing your chase request. However, while they can be useful for visualizing multiple chases that are relevant to your target expression, Google only shows you one unobtrusive pack at a time. This is where a tool like Ubersuggest comes in handy, as it provides a wide overview of watchword considerations based on the main statement you provide. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.